Apple Watch has reportedly received patent for color-changing watch bands. The color of the watch band could be adjusted through an app, the report states. Apple is said to be working on making the watch band change color by itself based on the wearer's outfit. The color-changing feature could also be used to send notifications to the users. The patent suggests that the company will use electrochromic elements on the watch band that are able to change color and opacity. The patent spotted by Patently Apple will allow Apple to work on watch bands that can adjust colors. This will enable users to customize their watch bands as per their choice and style. The patent says that the bands will carry electrochromic elements which can adjust the color and opacity of the band when a small electric current is supplied. Looking at the report, the watch band would get a 3-stripe design and each stripe's color is said to be independently adjustable. It is reported to display both solid as well as stripe patterns. The patent also explained that the watch bands would provide adjustable color control and would display multiple colors and color combinations without removing or exchanging the watch band. Users would be able to control, select or adjust one or more colors of the watch band via a control system. The color selections can be made and adjusted via the Apple Watch app, the report says. Additionally, the patent also notes that the band would be able to display icons, shapes and text and will change color to tell users about the notifications. Notably, users can already change their watch band's color by physically changing the band, but the new ability will remove the need to buy multiple bands. Thanks for watching. Good luck.